Sorry, hold on. It blanked out for a sec. I guess this is a video after the Visit to Forest Music in Berkeley video. But today's video is gonna be another Lego video, but not an ordinary one. It's a fidget Lego video. Hopefully this video will be more interesting than the other Lego review because that did not get too many views. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't play with Lego anymore, unless it's this sort of thing. This thing right here doesn't look like that much. It looks like, to me it looks like a bearded man. Like that's the arms and that's the legs and that's the beard. I don't know, maybe not. But basically this is a Lego butterfly knife. And you just like, you do the tricks and then you get the knife out and then you do the back and it turns back into this thing. So today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the trick as well as tips on building one of these butterfly knives. So let's go to the Lego station. Let's turn on these lights. A couple of Lego bins dumped out right here. Cool pieces over there for like building butterfly knives. So what you need, do I have any more of them? No. Okay, yeah. So, you need two of these pieces side by side, like on my butterfly knife. If you could see, right there, two of those like L pieces side by side, or a T piece, it's like a letter T, which I'll show my friend's butterfly knife out of Lego right now. But you need one of those pieces, and that's basically the foundation of your butterfly knife. What you need after that is, on this T piece, or the two L's right there, you just connect Lego pieces to make the blade part. And you'll end up with something like this. Then if you have two holes or one hole, whatever, just go as close to the center as you can without both of the arms touching together. So you go like that and that. And you have to have these joint pieces that don't have any bumps on them. Like, I don't know if you could tell these two joint pieces. One of them, the black one's a lot more bumpy, or it has a lot more ridge. Oh god. Basically, from that, keep attaching Lego pieces until you make the arms, and that's pretty much your butterfly knife. It's pretty simple, to be honest. Now, if you have any further questions, definitely leave a comment. I'll hopefully try to reply to your comments if you need any help on this. But now for the tricks. I don't know if that looked impressive to you or not. It's not that impressive. Once you're like, oh my god, it's that easy. Because it's that easy. All you have to do, guys, where the three like points are, like this, like where the joint here, right, is facing that way, and you're just holding like that. All you have to do is grab onto this bottom flap here, grab onto it, flick the rest of it, so it'll be something like that. If it's not like this, or the blade is way down or something, I don't know, you probably don't have that great of a butterfly knife, no offense. But after you do that, you turn this in your hand, like so. You have to do it fast. Like, if this was a real butterfly knife, my hand would be chopped off already because this is a blade. But you just turn it in your hand and you'll get something like this. And then you flick the whole thing, oh god. You flick the whole thing and you grab the handle, and that becomes your knife right there. You do the exact process to get back to the closed blade form. Basically, you flick it, we're grabbing onto this, you turn it in your hand, and you flick it back. That's all you have to do. Obviously, if this were a real blade, you have to do it really fast, otherwise like it'll chop your hand off. But as you get more practice on it, it'll be a lot easier, a lot easier to do it. But yeah, I guess that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, as I said, leave a comment. And hopefully this video helped and it was more interesting than the other Lego video. So I guess see you next time on Boss Bassoon.